Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Yesterday our discussion was very simple and it was a very clean day, to be honestly speaking. What we discussed is if market opens gap down and if it taps into this demand, then we can expect a rally, right? Very simple market. Why I'm saying is this demand was marked and given to you. I also told when it crosses the opening price, then we can give a trade position, meaning like we can plan a long position. So what happened today? Market opened here, market went down, tapped into our demand, and market gave a positive closure, and it was little ranging, right? The moment it gave a closure above this confirms our trade plan. Okay, what I mean by trade plan is how we have to plan our position. Now is we have this particular small open demand, and once we get a tap back into this, we have to plan a long position, keeping this particular point as our SL, and simple to simple target as yesterday's closing or yesterday's high. This is one trade which I gave it to you yesterday in our discussion itself. I gave it to you yesterday. I also updated in our WhatsApp group saying like plan number one, most ideal is if we get the market between 22,730 to 640, and if we get positive reaction like this, then on a smaller time frame we can plan a CE till the open supply as part of yesterday's closing. Target also achieved at 1020 itself, meaning around this time frame itself target was achieved. Okay, this gap was filled immediately. I also gave one more update saying like now for the next plan of action we need to wait for about 23,000 for a bigger rally. So once we get a closure above this 23,000, we have another demand marked out here. So the second plan comes into play out here once we get a tap into this, keeping this as our SL and target minimum to minimum 100 points. See, two perfect trades were given as per plan and they were executed also as per plan. It is one of the easiest markets, that too on an expiry. Everybody was saying world news is negative, but chart was positive. I clearly told in 30 minutes time frame also chart is bullish. So once we get a tap here, we can easily plan a long position. And even in 1 hour time frame also I told like chart is clearly bullish, so it is ideal for us to plan only long position. Whenever market is going up, most common problem for all retail traders is they will start to think about put. They will think like, oh, this much market has gone up, we'll plan a put. This much market has gone up, we'll plan a put. This is a problem which with many retail traders whomsoever are trading. Okay, so what we have as course of next plan of action is we have this particular small open demand in 1 hour time frame. So the ideal scenario for tomorrow also will be something like if market comes back here and taps into this and gives a positive reaction like this, then we can plan to take the market even higher. This swing point can be the first target, and extended target can be up to this open supply whichever we have. This is going to be the ideal trade position for tomorrow. If it happens, well and good. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. We will plan better trades for the next day. There is always better trades. It's not necessary for us to trade every single day. If market opens flat and comes down, this is going to be the plan of action. If market opens gap down also, this is going to be the plan of action. If market opens pretty big gap up, okay, so yesterday similar way like what we discussed, if we get negative reaction like this, then we can take the market down. These are the possible trade plans for tomorrow. I hope this video is educative. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and follow for more such educational content. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next education video.